Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to boil fish the easy way. This simple cooking method helps keep the fish tender, flavorful and healthy. I'll be using mackerel for this recipe. Here I have my frozen mackerel fish, but it's best to use the defrosted soft one as can be seen in the video. To defrost your frozen mackerel fish, you can either put it in your fridge overnight or in the morning, you put it in your kitchen sink, fill the sink up with water and allow it to defrost naturally. That's the really fast and easy way of defrosting fish when you don't have all the time to wait. Now, I'll cut my fish into small sizes to make the cleaning easy and fast. This is a beginner-friendly method of how to clean fish. On this channel, you'd also find methods of how to clean croaker fish and of course how to clean mackerel fish without cutting it at all. I'm not going to be cleaning the fish head this time because I don't need it for this recipe. This is simply because boiling fish head doesn't make it edible still because of the bones. So for cleaning this fish, I'll remove the inside and with my kitchen knife I'll remove the blood clot. You can see what I am doing in this video, so do exactly that to ensure that your fish is clean and edible. One major reason why fish needs to be thoroughly cleaned in water is so that it doesn't have a bitter taste after cooking. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more easy cooking tutorials. So here I'm done, almost done with cleaning the fish for the first batch. And I like to let you know one thing. You see that first cut after the fish head, you need to take a lot of time and put in a lot of effort to clean it because sometimes you find the fish gill still there and a lot of blood clots still there. But with a lot of time and more effort, it gets clean with time and it is still edible. Now I'll dispose this water for the first cleaning and I'll get a fresh, clean bowl of water. I'll put the clean fish inside this fresh water now, and with my kitchen scissors, I'll cut off the fins at the tail end. Also, I'll remove that fin close to the middle. But if you don't have kitchen scissors, I like to suggest that you remove this with your knife. After the fish cleaning is done, I'll proceed to slice my onions. I'll peel off the skin and cut it into my preferred sizes. So I like to also let you know that at this point, it is not necessary to cut the onions in uniform sizes. Just cut it and that's it. You can even decide to split the onion in half and cook it that way. What we need here is the flavor. And now it's time to cook. Into my pot, I'd add water, and to enhance the flavor, I'd add half teaspoon salt, 1 stock cube. After I crush the stock cube into the pot, I'd also add half teaspoon curry, half teaspoon thyme, and onions. I'll mix it well to combine nicely, then I'll go in with the fish. After I put the fish, I'll cover the pot and cook on medium heat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'll open it and then I'll turn the fish. You know when the fish is cooked when it doesn't have any redness inside. So I'll suggest you open one of it with your fork to confirm. You can enjoy boiled fish as it is, or you can serve it with vegetables, rice, or your favorite sauce. And that is it. After cooking for extra 5 minutes, a simple, healthy and delicious boiled fish is ready. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and this recipe is perfect for any time you want to quickly boil fish to add to any of your meals. Don't forget, like, subscribe and share. Till I post my next video, I like to say this: thank you for watching this video, and of course I would love to see you in my next video. Enjoy your day. Bye.